Excessive noise exposure is a serious public health hazard that goes largely unrecognized. Excessive or prolonged exposure to high volumes of sound can result in hearing loss, tinnitus, or hyperacusis, a condition in which everyday sounds may seem unbearably loud and painful. Listening to loud music, whether by personal listening devices or at a concert, can cause hearing loss even in children and teens, which can be irreversible. And the reason for that is children have smaller ear canals than adults. This intensifies higher frequency of sounds. So my advice is to keep noise below 70 decibels. Now for context, the sounds of a motorcycle, a rock concert, and a movie theater range from 80 to up to 115 decibels. Or simply, if an environment sounds too loud for an adult, it is probably too loud for a child.